Hello everyone. In this video, I will be acting as a person 2 or team member 2. So let's start. We have opened a new folder, person 2, and we're opening a new text file, GitHub person-wise command text. Now I am acting as person 1 or person 2, and we will be pulling out the cloud repository in our local repository. Let's get started. Let's copy the code or the cloud link from HTTPS link from our GitHub to connect our local repository with our cloud repository. So let's start it. First, we need to initialize the repository or git init. Then we need to connect the repository, local repository with cloud repository. Git remote add origin and the HTTPS address we have copied from GitHub, and the branch name branch name is needed for pulling the code. We have successfully connected our local repository to our cloud repository. Now we have to pull the existing code for person 1 or person 2 from cloud to our local repository. Git pull repository HTTPS code and then our branch name person 1. Okay, we have pulled the person 1. Now we are checking in which branch we are, Git branch, and we are in the master branch. So now we need to switch our branch from masters or local repository branch from master branch to person 1 branch. So git switch C person 1. We have switched from master to person 1. Now let's update the person 1 branch in cloud repository. So git add space dot git commit m, then the quotation which refers to comments, then git push origin person 1. Okay, we have pushed our local repository updates in our cloud repository. Now let's check in our main branch. There is only github commands.txt, but in person 1 you can see that github person wise pulls command.txt, one new file added. But in the person 2 the file is not there. So we have successfully worked in our local branch, and that is not updated in main or another branch. Now let's code here. That's great, you did it or we did it. Now we are going to code and in our own branch, and after coding every time we will be repeating step 5, 6, 7. Git add, git commit m, and then our comments, and then git push origin. You can see that we have updated our codes, and the comment this time I have added is person 1 coded in the commit section. Okay, thank you.